We're interconnected. You and me. Oh yeah. I must fight for love. In this field of Jack. Feel it in your soul. Gathering for love. I'm talking about music. In this field of Jack. Gathering for love. Makes me feel good. Make it last forever. Oneness. We're interconnected. You and me. We're interconnected. I must fight for love. In this field of Jack. Feel it in your soul. Gathering for love. I'm talking about music. In this field of Jack. Gathering for love. Makes me feel good. Oneness.
Alrighty. Good morning, folks. Man, it's been a good. Oh shit! I had to get a new. We had to bust out the new headset drawer from our last stream. We had a little broken headset, but folks, we're back from vacation. It's good to be back. Missed ya. Maybe some of you missed us too. We know for a fact that the pencil necks have been dying without us. Dying. Good morning, pencil necks.
It gives me this peaceful feeling. It's true. Sometimes when the phone rings, I can tell you're calling. It's you, baby.
You know, when you are
Sometimes I imagine you're near me.
lucky to live a life, earn a life, or be born with a life, to be able to leisure frequent,
I hear your voice calling my name.
one should frequently leisure,
Day begins to change.
especially in this space.
Did you know that sometimes your words
Anyways,
my worries away?
hope y'all had a good weekend.
That your smile keeps my fears at bay.
Yeah, we wanted to, we got back late yesterday. And to be honest, we were actually at the start of the vacation. Before the vacation, we were long and ended up yanking, I think, Saturday night. Just didn't have the time. Things kind of were, the bigger time frame's been looking, you know, like there's actually some hope for the Bulls. But when you're in a bloody market, that hope gets crushed most of the time
Your strong
earlier than most people would like. So price ended up going up a little bit, but you know, to be honest, as much as everyone, as much as we want big moves,
something about
every trade to be a big knocker, like
and sometimes
big knockers on a Betty.
oh, you're hidden.
You know, not every female that you know date has huge Betty knockers, but they're nice when they come by.
I can hear your voice. I can feel your hands.
You know, you don't necessarily go to the clubs, you know, knowing you're gonna get one of them. You see, you know what I'm saying. But if you get one, that we'll take it.
And sometimes it makes me sad.
So, anyways, this trade was basically based off of the 1 hour and the 30. Well, we'll
But I can't help
go it as we go. When did we enter this trade? It was,
just
hold up.
way,
Oops.
but forever and ever. And ever.
What time is it right
I love you.
now? Dang, so it was 7, 6, 7, 9 hours ago. Time flies when you're having a good time. And put it out to the crew, to the people. Pretty sure it was like up here on this crossing. Momentum wave was divergent down, was deep, was cutting. It was down here. It was down. It was right here, right here. And it had its little, okay, we've seen this before. We've seen it before. A little hitch, okay. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We're looking for the 30. We're looking for this money flow to continue, whether it's a big move or a little move. Now, to be honest, there was a couple times where if we were in a bull market right here before this red dot, if we were in a bull market, that might be looking pretty. We've seen these catch, dip, and go. Catch, dip, and go, but ain't a bull market. It ain't catch, dip, and go. It's catch, shit, and blow. Anyways, no expectations. No expectations.
I love you.
Boy, the pencil necks were coming in strong just a few minutes ago. I'm telling you, folks, that we're going to be seeing pencil necks. The pencil necks are here, baby. We're talking all-time high. In fact, let's call one out here. Let's call one out. Hang on. He got great out. Crypto Jeremy.
This guy's an idiot, really shorting the market open? What an idiot.
Oh, he stopped talking. It goes up with Crypto Jeremy. Crypto Jeremy, where are you at? Faggot. good to be back, folks. I missed you guys. Had a good time. Had a good time. It's a good little vacation. Could have been longer. But hope you guys had a good weekend. What's going on? I haven't been watching the news. I really haven't been looking at the charts. What's going on with... Let's take a look. Ooh-wee. Also, the pre-markets. I was looking at the pre-markets as well. And they were, kind of minus 200. So I was like, we'll see. Meme Lawn apparently making a little splash. Meme Lawn making a splash. Let's go, baby. Let's go. What's going on, baby? Let's go. How's ETH doing? Oops. We got breakfast on the way. Little breakfast, little frou-frou coffees on the way. Couple frou-frou coffees and some sandwiches. Heard a couple people talking about silver. Couple people yelping about silver. Haven't done it. We got to do a mic check. How's our mic check? Damn, this new microphone kind of sounds good. Yeah, what is he talking about? Short and market open. Do you see where their trade is? I mean, we didn't just market open. Oh, we gotta do. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Wow, we can draw on here. Wow. If you've heard my thesis on gold, I was in this one of them little spaces, Twitter talk chat room things, I think the other week, and was with Gareth Swalloway and the trade better trader folks, and I kind of just really laid it on thick about and gold and silver are tied together in a few different fashions. They are metals, commodities, whatnot. But anyways, long story short, you've all heard my gold spiel, but I haven't really, maybe some of you haven't heard really the next step of what needs to happen. What I believe probably has to happen for gold to break over 2,000. In my conclusion is that shit really has to hit the fan. What I mean by that is, long story short, data from about 3-4 years ago, the top three banks own over 80% of the sell side trade, sell side paper of real gold, paper gold, fake paper gold, all of it. and there's just too much. There's been 2 times where there's been lines out the door all around the world. Gold was sold out, yet the price could not budge over 2,000. Now, what happened when Bitcoin, everyone's lining out the door? We had a bull run. In Bitcoin, you can't buy Bitcoin and it goes over. You can't buy gold in a line that go over 2,000. Bitcoin, you can't. And so, in order for that to disappear, at just one of those banks, maybe even a smaller bank, one of those banks will be affected. When one bank goes down and does not get bailed out, they're all affected. But I think those banks will have to liquidate. Shit's gonna have to hit the fan. They're gonna have to liquidate positions. I think it's gonna dump the price of gold, and then gold will be free in order to break the chains, just like slavery. In order for slavery to end, a lot of people had to die. A lot of people had to die. Civil war, blood of all types and from different places and ages and men and women and blood, spit and ass. Anyways, I don't know why I went on that tangent. I think it's just because people are talking about silver. Anyways, yada yada silver, yada yada silver. Oh, okay. Someone said silver, it's so manipulated. No shit, silver's manipulated. It's been known for ages. It's all manipulated. Real manipulation is it's not even, whatever. Fuck it, we don't care. Anyways. Good to be back. I said sell side paper, bro. Okay, there's not more ways to slice a cat. Top 3 banks own over 80% of the trades. What's up? What's up, Frankie? How you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Hope you've been doing well. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, we actually have a meeting tomorrow. We got big things coming with the Market Cipher. I know everyone always kind of says that about anything they're doing, but all around Market Cipher's got a, from the website to a new addition. That's the best way I can put it, to the indicator itself. But that's going to come after the branding and website facelift. Anyways, price action. Look at price action. The daily baby turtle to the mama turtle. Hopefully, everyone's hoping they don't get their heart broken, but the truth is they probably will. Now, if you watch Alessio Rastani, he was talking about how, when we touch the 50 or the 200 SMA or something on the monthly or some shit, it always kind of hangs, maybe bounce up for a little bit. And he could be right. So I could see a small possibility of maybe some sideways, maybe a little something at best, sideways at best. But for the most part, it's kind of just been a pointed waiting clash between two sides, and right now the bear side wins overall. Man, a 12 hours looking nice. Wish it was a bull run, but it doesn't mean there can't be something here. Move up, it can't, something to be made here, but we just gotta wait. It's not really as big and tasty as we like it to be. It's not as big and tasty as we like it to be, as it used to have been. And you know, the world is bigger than us. Like crypto is small compared. We are small beans, and we're really just minnows. Not minnows, but we're like the algae sucking fish that are harboring off of, you know, whales. We're what do you call it when there's a host and you're like a leech? What's the term I'm looking for? It's not leech, but we are. It's a word for like being dependent. It's being a leech, and you have it to a host. You get what I'm trying to say. Parasite, that's a good one. Parasite, that might be the word. Parasite. That might be the word. I don't know if that's the word I was thinking of. Parasito. That's the word I was thinking of. Parasite's good. Parasite. Eve, what's going on? Yeah, parasite's probably the word. Mold, that's a good one too. It's pretty moldy right now. Hijackers, maybe I could see how we could be considered such. Jesus Christ, is this picture fake? Holy shit! Wow. Hell of a delivery driver's picture there. That's interesting. Hopefully he doesn't eat my breakfast. Anyways, I can't really hear the music. I can't really tell if it's bad. It's all right. This sounds like it's a little better. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bring her down. Come on. Bring down the house. You know, I need to go on. We need to go on around the poop chain here soon. Frankie, can you put in a word for me? They you know, I get the email every month like, hey, we're scheduling for this month. You know. But normally, they just send me an email like when someone's not able to make it. But I haven't really been getting. I haven't been checking my emails actually. Yeah, we got to go on around the poop chain here soon. Also, the 30K Crypto Face Community Bash. Frankie, you got to be there, buddy. We're going to be, I'm talking to the dudes at BitGet today. We're going to set up the time. We're going to fucking do it. And may the best traders win. It's going to be like, I'm thinking 2-week long tournament. Oh, a week. We have a week to sign up. And it's going to be a 2-week long tournament. 2 weeks might even be too long. I don't have the patience for that shit. I'm thinking 2 brackets. The total P&L and dollar value. 2 different brackets of winners. Top 3 in each win. Now that we have a little bit of volatility. So I was supposed to do this exclusive invite only big baller baccarat tournament. And long story short, I didn't make it there in time. I didn't wake up in time. I was like 7 minutes late. And they wouldn't let me sit down. So I didn't make it. Nah, I was pissed. Lot of Chinamen were in town. Lot of Chinamen. There was one older Chinaman, and basically for 3 days straight, he was beyond shit-faced. Doesn't speak English. And he was the only person that sat down next to me that I actually was winning. Vegas has been a little tough lately, man. The quality of people has really gone down. It ain't like it used to be. And to be honest, I was kind of getting my clock cleaned for the first. I was down like 30 grand until basically the last night, and where I was finally able to go and play by myself, not have to take care of a girlfriend, not have to make sure my friends and everyone's okay. You know, we're playing, and then oh, you need some money, you need money here, you need money, okay, are you having a good time, you need to go upstairs, you're hungry, oh fuck. As soon as I go downstairs, there's a ghost in the fucking room, so I gotta go upstairs. The girlfriend's scared. So finally, the last night I was by myself, and I got up to minus 6,800. So I did really good on the last. I was by myself, sat down at the 2-deck blackjack, kept the counts, was able to win a couple big hands. Went from like minus 30 grand to minus 6,800. And for the first time, I saw, am I on mute? That would really suck if I was. Okay. For the first time, I went to see a circus, Satan Olay. Circus Satan. Oh, my food's here.
So, okay. I want to share with you my thoughts about the D. It's surprising that for so many years, all you need for happiness is a real groove, a straight kick, and some warm chords. I'm speaking only for myself, cause house music is not a religion for me. The past 10 years I've lived it.
All right. So yeah, I went to the Cirque du Soleil, the Satan Soleil, and it was all right. But I just hate how these artists turn every dude gay, and like masculinity can be celebrated and can be cool. They just cool. They launch people. They do some really amazing things. But every buff dude in the show is wearing assless chaps, like sticking their tongue out to the crowd and just doing gay ass shit. And it's okay if I'm not saying there can't be any gay shit. it's mostly, you can have mostly gay shit, but when like you're emphasizing the parts where like you're showing the buff ass dude, celebrate it and do cool shit. Masculine, you don't have to turn him gay. I wanted to look away. Looked away. I don't even want to eat now. Now I can't even eat. Look at the Dixie. Let's go. Man, I'm telling you, what did we say about this pattern? Even with a strong Dixie, with oil, with Dixie, with Bitcoin. And man, really get to know, like, put that in your mind. That brought the dollar down 5%. She's still going to be steaming upwards, my guess, overall, of course. Y'all know how I feel about that. I didn't want to keep munching in the microphone there. Much better. I feel much better. Anyway, so yeah, first day, first full day from my mini vacation. So errands to run today. This isn't going to be, a long stream, but maybe we'll be here for an hour or so. What's up, Brian? Anyways, you know, that's that, I guess. Really, if you're really hoping for Bitcoin to come on up, you probably want to be peeping this 30-minute. Oh, that could happen. Maybe. You know, how many times can you kind of just say the same old thing about the macro? You know, as the standard markets kind of control everything, and that's about it. Let's see where this ends up here. Oh my gosh. Oh. There you go. So take profit here. Go ahead, take profit now. You're looking for a target? There's your target. Take some now. Take some now. I've been getting a lot of messages about stop losses lately. People asking me. I mean, we always kind of get the same kind of questions, but I think people, you know, this has been a patient man's or woe man's game lately. And I think people are getting a little frustrated with their stop losses. And you know what I say? I say the same thing. I'll say it. I'll say the same thing. I'll say it again. There's no formula for me that I follow. That's just the same on every fucking trade. Your stop loss is just 6.7% every fucking time. That's not what I do. What helps me and what maybe could help you, wherever you decide you want to have your stop loss, is stop loss. I hate that fucking word, stop loss. It's such a stiff ass pencil neck beta stupid fucking word. And I hate that. Where do you put your stop loss? Why are you worried and focused on losing first? You should be focused on winning. Anyways. Just like you enter your trade, split them up. I say, you know what? If you're worried about your stop, then chop it up. Don't have your whole trade going out in one stop. That way you can have it in different places. You can have it spread instead of having your whole stop right here. Your whole trade is fucked and over, and oh shit, it went, but now it's over. Now it's over, and that sucks. Instead of doing that, your whole trade, say I'm gonna do some here, a little here, a little bit here, a little bit here. You can split it up, spread out the risk, just like you do when you enter, when you exit. And that should alleviate your mental. I think some people, the stop loss really fucks with some people. A lot of people. Yeah, man, spread it out for real, Timo. You see what I'm saying? You know, when you're, that's nothing. It's one of the worst things when you're like, fuck, you know, oh man, do I want to put it right here? But that's where everyone else is putting it. Everyone else is putting it right there. So should I put it right here? But then they know that everyone else is going to put it right there. So it's going to go a little bit low. It's going to go right there. Should I do it here? Oh, that's too deep. Spread that shit out. I say 5. 4 or 5. Chop it into 4. Chop it into 5, man. Chop it into 4. Chop it into 5. Yeah, I mean, if you take profits like that, yeah, I mean, it's the same thing, you know. My bad, bro. You're in the office. We're looking at the Dixie. Dixie. This is the Dixie. Okay, so we want this. To look the same. Wait. 10. Okay, that's pretty close. Okay, let's do this. That is September 13th. Let's do September 13th. Okay, so there's that. And there is that. Okay. Man. Yeah, well, I mean, doesn't the 2-day chart look very bullish? No. But I get what you're trying to see. I get what you're saying. If I really, if this was like more cylindrical, then maybe, but we're in a bear market. It's it's weak. But I feel you, what you're trying to say. I get what you're trying to say. I get what you want to see. And the price will go up. The price has gone up. But the difference is the strength of the move. In a bull run, let's say we saw this shit, we'd be like, yeehaw, we know that's gonna be a strong ass move. In bloodshed, Armageddon of the Armageddon world we live in this environment right now, yeah, price can go up, but what's the strength? RSIs, look at the RSIs, how it's RSI has gone up this much, but the price only gone up this much. Let's go, baby. Oh, come on, change the picture. Ooh. Good eye there. Broke the spider line? Well, let's take a look here, little Johnny. We're gonna take a look at this, Johnny. It certainly is, it's under it as we speak. No, we need we need 5 candles to close in order to confirm. The price needs to be all the way down to here, then we can confirm. Don't you hate that? It's always, but it needs, once we break this, I want to see confirmation $6,000 lower, and then I'll make a confident trade. And then a week later, it's 6,000. They go, yeah, then, you know, we need it, and then we'll know. And then it's, and then we'll know, and then we'll know. Yeah, you know, we just, we need the candle close and then another one, and then we'll know. Told you so. Told you so. And I told you so. Then we will know. Yes, then we will know. How's AMP looking? Man, I mean, can that thing even, is it still alive? Okay, let's check the pulse. Let's see it. It's been worse. It's been worse. We've seen worse in the immediate short term. Man, this will just keep baiting people into the oblivion. This is like the void. You don't want to go there. This is like eternal solace in a hypnotized state of mind. In a bad way. You know, I mean, to the guy, again, going back to the guy that was asking if, like, the 2 days and the 2-day bullish, like, looking at the daily, just to kind of give you an example. When it's bull time, the green is big and the reds are small. The greens are big, the reds are small. When it's bear time, the reds are big, the green is small. The reds are big, the green is small. I mean, and look what happened on these. You want to talk about strength? You talk about strength. I mean, look, here's your beautiful green dots, anchor, trigger, trade, trigger, and the price did go up. The price went up. Price went up. Damn, that was 30%. Jesus Christ. Forget everything I just told you. Forget everything I just said for the past 20 seconds. No, in all seriousness. Little in the green, big in the red. Oops, I'll be back. All right. Ripple, what's going on with Ripple? Oh. Dude, you know what else I get tired of seeing? Which is, I mean, I mocked on Twitter, but the whole, what altcoin should I buy? What altcoin do you think I should buy? Good morning, crypto people. What altcoin do you think I should buy? Man, that shit drives me crazy. Netflix short looking good. Let's take a look. On the daily, you say, oh, what do we have here? Let's take a look. Just look at the data. Look at the data. Look at the data. 25%. I tend to agree. I think that might be a ooh, boy, that is gapped. I see where you're coming from. I can see where you are coming from. Found those operating here. Interesting. Weird looking chart. A lot of little triggers to the anchor wave. That's a little fight. Looks like the Bears won. Yeah. And Netflix sucks. Netflix sucks. Yeah. This is kind of fun. This is kind of fun. Man, we had a couple little doubters in the old MC Discord. As is tradition on every trend, it's always someone. There's always one or more. There's always one.
I don't know, man. I don't know about this one, CF. I don't know about this one, man. You've changed, man. You've changed.
Are we gonna see? Damn, we are under 20,000. We're under 20,000. Yeah, also the whole, like, if it goes below, that means we're just going right to 18, right? So if we go under, that means we're going to 16.5, then 26.25, and then 19, right? Like, I don't know where people come with these, like, consensus answers. Like, everyone's like, yep, yeah, that's what's happening. You got that right. He's right. We went below 19.8. It's going to 17.3. Everybody agrees? Yeah, he's right. He's right. That is what it means. Yeah, he's right. Yeah, he's right. We almost deleted Rodriguez's arm. All right, I think that's about all I got in the tank here, folks. I got a lot of shit to do today. Of course, that's right. You know, don't. I'll say this publicly. I was, I was going through the Discord, our Discord, and I was talking about how there was friendly banter back and forth. There was friendly little debates and fun poking. You know, people weren't going after each other's throats. They were
Charmingly going after each other, as Michael Saylor says. He goes, I'm going to charmfully go after you.
and it was refreshing to see. And everyone was pretty much, for the most part, cool.
I'm gonna charmingly fuck you up and...
Boy, look, she's fighting the spider line. Folks, she's fighting the spider line.
What did I tell you? I told you this was a good place to take profits. I told you so. I told you.
All right. No, spot, there is no fees. There is no fees on spot. 15% is off of futures. All of them. Spot, 0 fees. I gotta actually change it. They asked me to. They're like, can you put that 0% spot? 0% spot. No, there's no fees on the spot. Johnny on the spot. So they're not. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Take some profits. Keeping, we're chilling. I don't imagine anything crazy is probably going to happen, although it can. Hopefully it does. Oh, let's look at the Dixie. You know, and you got to figure out what time frame are you playing. You know, are you going to be you playing the longer term, short term, a day, a half a day, a night, a month, you know? So alrighty, folks. I'm gonna go get my day started, but again, I wanted to do a little stream and had a good little vacation, nice little leisure time, and I hope y'all have a good rest of your day. Parlez-vous français? Tu as de la chance. Oui.